looks like right now I am recording. I know it's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I realized I did the stupidest mistake ever. And so what I'm quickly go through real quick is I messed up. I'm gonna admit that right now. I'll admit it tomorrow in class. I messed up. So skip that. I'm sorry about that. The problem I've been having is that there's no that I keep getting this library IGTM fetcher problem, right? I'm like, man, like, what's the problem with that? And then I went back to the quick start, and I realized I skipped over this note right here. If you don't go to build and run, you'll run into this problem where I've been getting multiple like errors and so on and so forth. And I thought I had to update Google VR, but that's not the case. Instead of running um, the project, you have to run the workspace because that's what Unity runs. And it started to work before I made this video. But just to show for proof, and I'll do a screencast on my phone when it's done. The VR thing works. I'm so excited about it because it's literally took about almost a month to figure this out. But this is what I have. So you go to Unity, right? You go to your build settings. And I'm gonna do the. I went to File, Build Settings, and this menu popped up right here. This one right here. I just hit build, right? It's gonna take, it's gonna build it for me. I'm not gonna hit save because I already did the save. But you can hit save and it's gonna like say, okay, it's gonna run, it's gonna process all the files and so on and so forth. Once that happens, uh, I'm sorry, I guess I didn't leave that folder up. Um, once that happened, um, you're gonna get this file is gonna open up, right? Um, you do not want to run this. Do not run this at all. It's not going to work. Instead, you're going to want to run this. So that's going to open up. And what's going to happen is you're going to want to hit Unity iPhone and just make sure like you're going to want to, for this one to be like screencast preview. Okay. That's what I'm going to save it as. Go down here, team, select my team. It's going to say waiting to repair. Okay, you're repaired. You're all set. You're ready to, hit the ground running. And then the next thing is you're gonna go up here and hit the build and run button. This is going to take some time. Probably takes about 5 minutes. You're going to see a bunch of these cautionary errors pop up. But hopefully, if I do this, if I remember that I did this thing right, I should be all set, and in a few minutes, it's going to install my project on my phone. The one thing that it will ask you to do is that code design or code sign. It's just a thing that you're gonna have to use your password to give your computer permission to upload whatever you need to upload to your phone. That's the only error that I've come across, or not error, but like permission that the computer is actually going to ask you about. So in a few minutes after it's been running all these tasks, I can't say anything correctly. Tasks. I don't know, tongue twister. Is going to be like, okay, blah 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 blah. Just need permission. You're going to sign it, and then it's going to be like build successful. Hopefully, knock on wood. And yeah, so hopefully in a little bit, I'm going to keep this screen up and running. You'll be seeing what I'm talking about. I already gave it permission a few minutes ago, so hopefully it's not going to ask again, but it should work. And of course, if you cannot hear it, my computer is running pretty hard right now. I just want to point out, in the last 3 weeks, it stopped at 180 something, 200. This is the farthest it's been since the first time I ran it. And I'm actually getting pretty excited over here. Like, man, blown away at this point. If you want, you can just skim through this part, just because if it does work, this will take some time. Um, I'm gonna say it's gonna probably be up and running probably about 2:15 and stuff. So I'm not sure. I'll confirm it in the Slack channel. Um, but yeah, in a minute it should say build succeed, and that's where these errors right up here. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. The code design. It just wants permission, and it's honestly not going to hurt your phone or anything. So it's going to type in my code. It's going to come up again, and this for me says, okay, I did a good job. Everything's working. One thing I'm not going to do, just because I don't know what it's going to do to it, and at this time I'm not gonna do it until I actually read all the fine print. But these errors, which you see right here, which is right there, oh, I don't understand why it's saying that. Uh-oh. Then it's like, okay. Um, Let me just go over there real quick. Um, okay, this is gonna be part one. I'm just gonna see what it read, and I'm gonna do another screencast.